Holiday season is here, and even with small gatherings, it's still a time to have some special meals.
Angie Horkan from the Wisconsin Beef Council is back with a rib roast made with a holiday wine sauce.
Seasonings, greetings, guys. Can you believe it's December already and the holidays are just around the corner? Of course, some of our holiday meals might look a little different this year. Might be a little more intimate, just with immediate families, so smaller groups. But of course, we can still have beef be the centerpiece of those dinners. Prime rib roast is still the favorite, but we're taking that in consideration. On the website, we've got a lot of recipes for planned overs, so if the family doesn't eat the whole prime rib roast at the holiday meal, making some breakfast recipes like this beefy sweet potato hash, or appetizer recipes, making a nice crostini snack appetizer for the next day with some flavored cream cheese and your sliced off roast. And of course, tenderloin roast recipes. You can get a 2-pound tenderloin, so half the size of a prime rib, and it'll still make a lot of great meals for this holiday season. But prime rib still is the king of the table, so I've got one here to show. This is a 4-pound boneless rib roast. Now in the supermarket, it's not going to say prime rib on the label. It's going to say rib roast or ribeye roast. And you just want your simple roasting pan. Metal 9x13 cake pan works fine. This is kind of a nicer roasting pan. Your rack, now if you buy a bone in, you can skip the rack because your bones will work as the rack. You want that oven heat to circulate around this roast and cook it from all around the outside. And this is a dry heat cooking method because this rib roast is tender. We do not need to tenderize it, so we're just going to roast in a 350-degree oven, no cover, no liquid, just a simple rub, if you like. This is a rub of shallots, fresh thyme, and black pepper, but on the website, beeftips.com, we've got a lot of great different rub recipes with different ingredients and flavors. So just put your rub on it, and then your oven-safe meat thermometer. You want to remember that. So you want to insert this right into the middle of your roast. And I like to tell people to set the timer for 20 minutes a pound and check your thermometer because you want to pull it out at 135 degrees for medium rare. You know, you're going to let it rest 20 minutes, so the temperature is going to raise 5 to 10 degrees, get up to 145 degrees. And then if you like it a little more medium, like the one I have here, leave it in the oven to 155 degrees and let it rest 20 minutes, and that temperature is going to continue to rise. So you've got a perfect prime rib roast for your holiday meal. And you can make a nice wine sauce to go on the side. Perfect for the holidays. And of course, don't forget to visit beeftips.com, our Wisconsin Beef Council website. Click right on the home page on our At Home with Beef, and you'll find all of our breakfast recipes, our prime rib recipes, tenderloin recipes, appetizers, videos, cooking charts, cooking tips, everything you need to know to have a great beef holiday meal. So, and all brought to you by Wisconsin's beef farmers through the beef checkoff. So wishing you guys, all of you and your families, a happy holidays and hopefully a great 2021.
Happy holidays, Angie. That looks great.